All right, today we're just taking a really quick look at these ultrasonic animal deterrent. And essentially what these are is a solar powered device that sits in your yard. It's motion activated, and when an animal trips the alarm, it will flash and beep to scare them away. The reason we got these is we have some deer that have been coming into our yard and eating our vegetable garden. So we're gonna set them up and see if they work. And what's really great about these is, although you might see the light flashing, you will not hear the sound so much because it's ultrasonic. It's in a spectrum that only the animals can hear. Assembly is super easy. You basically just pop on the stakes. Per the manual, this can be effective at scaring away squirrels, deer, rabbits, raccoons, skunks, cats, dogs, wild boars, bears, foxes, and more. Reading the manual answered a couple questions I had. One was what mode to use. You can see that there is a bunch of different modes on the front. You can adjust with this dial. And essentially it changes the frequency of the ultrasonic sound and also the frequency of the flashing. And picking one is not necessarily about targeting a certain species. That's what I thought maybe it was for, but actually you just want to change that every once in a while because the critters can get used to one of those. So it just allows you to change every once in a while, maybe every week or two. If you're seeing a lot of activity, that keeps them on their toes. And then the other question is, should we charge it? And it's yes, you want to charge for at least 3 hours before its first use. Now with our first time battery charge complete, we're going to set them up. This gate right here is the first entry point to our yard, and this is where the deer are coming through, going around to the house to the garden. So we're going to put it right on the other side of this gate. We also have a security camera over there, so if we do happen to find a deer and it scares it, we will show the footage. So we will set this maybe to medium sensitivity, and I'm just going to set it to, oh geez, wow. So it beeps when you change the setting. The beep is not the ultrasonic noise that's going to scare them away. That's just telling us that we've changed the mode. So I think we'll just do mode 2. As far as the audio sound, I don't hear very much. What I'm hearing is kind of like a ticking, so I can tell that it's probably putting out a sound, but my ears can't perceive it. So it's doing some flashing and ticking. So it stopped there. Let's see if I move. I'm going to stand out of the way for a second and then walk in front of it and see if we can trigger it. When it gets set off, it runs for 30 seconds at a time. Okay, so that set it off. That seems to be the right sensitivity for this location. So here we are at the scene of the crime where the deer got some of our cucumber, I believe these are, took some of the leaves off, and also our pepper has been topped. This one barely survived. So this is where we're going to set up the other one. All right, so this one, I think, in order to kind of get the whole scope of things here, we're going to put it right up here, overlooking the garden. Okay. Wow, yeah, that's loud. So it seems that all but one setting are ultrasonic where you can't hear them, but there is one that is actually very loud and hurts my ears. So we're not going to do that one. Maybe you could use that for scaring people away. All right, so we've got them set up and we know how they work now. We're going to leave them at current settings for a couple days and see how they work, and then I'll do a follow-up video to share the results.